Welcome back, dear creative. So I tacked my fan to my pleats from one edge to another. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all the pins I used in creating this fan, and I'll show you how to style your beautiful fan Auto Gele. Okay, welcome back, dear creative, and this is our beautiful fan Auto Gele. So I'm going to show you how to style this Auto Gele on yourself or on your dummy. Okay, so just put it in the middle this way, push it backwards, and don't forget that you're supposed to strap it to the back of your head with the velcro. Okay, strap it with the velcro. If it's not tight enough, you can pull it the way you want to make it tighter. All right, so this is how it looks. So this is our fan gele. So at the back here, you can decide to use, if you are wearing braids, okay, you can just roll this up and use your pin to hold it down. Or if you're not putting on braids, you can just cover it up like this and use your pin to hold it down like this. All right, so for the hand here, just tie it, and this will give it the real gele effect. Okay, so just tie this. The way you want. You can make it tight, you can make it loose, depending on how you want it. Okay, then you arrange the front of your gele to make the fan set. Okay, so this is how it looks, and this is our fan Auto Gele. I hope you have gotten value from this class. Drop your questions, your practicals, and your comments. I'll be right there, and I'll be waiting to answer all your questions. Okay, make sure you practice. Make sure you practice. Like us on Facebook at Alluredbyruby. Follow us on Instagram at Alluredbyruby. And don't forget to join our Facebook group. We have a lot of freebies. Join our Facebook group at Alluredbyruby Craft Academy. I'd love to see you once again. I'd love to see you join our classes once more. And I also like to see your practicals. Thank you very much. See you next class. Bye.